When we talk about the correlation between global warming and the severity of hurricanes, Friday, August 25th, 2017, Hurricane Harvey made landfall on the Gulf shores of Texas, and at one point it was a Category 5 hurricane. When Hurricane Harvey made landfall, it dropped at least 50 inches of water on some parts of Houston, which is equivalent to the total number of rainfall in the last 9 months of Mountain View, California area. Since Hurricane Harvey, 3 more hurricanes would form within a week of each other. The last time 3 active hurricanes have been in the Atlantic was in 2010. The last Category 5 hurricane to make landfall was Hurricane Katrina, 2005. The effects of global warming have been increasing for many years. With global warming comes increasing ocean temperatures, and when ocean temperatures increase, it increases the severity of the hurricanes. In this graph, it shows the number of hurricanes over the years. I will give you a little background on global warming, and then I will discuss how the increasing ocean temperatures increases hurricanes, and then I will be discussing how rising sea levels also increases the severity of hurricanes. Global warming has always been a relevant topic, but lately has become more known and talked about. To put it simply, global warming is the rise in Earth's temperatures, land, and water. The main cause of global warming is the combustion of fossil fuels. When hydrocarbons heat up, it causes an interaction between the Earth's atmosphere and the radiation from the sun. Normally the incoming radiation would just bounce off the Earth, but with all the extra hydrocarbons in the atmosphere, it traps it inside, which increases the Earth's temperatures. The trapping of radiation in the atmosphere is known as the greenhouse effect. The main gas that causes the greenhouse effect is carbon dioxide, and the excess carbon dioxide that is in our atmosphere is absorbed by the sun or absorbed by the ocean, causing a rise in the oceanic transport of heat. And then in this diagram, it shows the increasing concentration of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. For a hurricane to form, it has required high humidity, constant wind, and water temperatures that are higher than 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Warm air holds more moisture than cold air does, which allows the hurricanes to get stronger by providing high humidity that's needed. A lot of tropical storms arise in the Atlantic, but they disperse on their own because the cold subsurface ocean waters it takes up, and so it cools the hurricane down. Hurricanes usually make landfall or Category 1 or 2. Hurricanes that are this small don't cause much damage to those that are Category 4 or 5. In the past 30 years, the number of hurricanes that have reached 4 or 5 have increased rapidly. For example, Hurricane Katrina made landfall in New Orleans in 2005, being the most costliest hurricane in the U.S. Since then, more hurricanes such as Sandy, Andrew, Harvey, Irma have made landfall, being almost as costly as Hurricane Katrina. Category 5 hurricanes are rare. Hurricane Andrew made landfall in 92, Katrina in 2005, Sandy in 2012, and then Hurricane Harvey and Irma in 2017. The gap of Category 5 hurricanes went from 13 years to 2 within the same week. In conclusion, when ocean temperatures rise, it fuels hurricanes to grow bigger and stronger. It also increases the likelihood of more hurricanes to make landfall. And another effect of global warming and increasing severity of hurricanes is the melting of glaciers. When Arctic glaciers are melting, it causes the sea levels to rise. And when sea levels rise, it causes hurricanes to hit closer to the more populated areas of land and also causes more flooding. This is caused by storm surges. Storm surges are when the sea levels rise above their normal levels, pushing water onto land. Glaciers would not be melting as quickly as they do if temperatures did not increase and sea levels would not be rising. And hurricanes would not be as severe if they didn't have the opportunity to hit closer to land. In summary, the effects of global warming have been substantially increasing for many years. In conclusion, global warming is correlated with the severity of hurricanes. Increasing ocean temperatures fuel stronger hurricanes by weakening the hurricane's ability to disperse on its own. And increasing ocean temperatures also increases rising sea levels, raising awareness of the effects of hurricanes and global warming correlation. It will slow down